All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome to a January 2021 Pro Wrestling Crate unboxing. Let's see what we got here. This is going to be cool. I like how they put tape on this one. That's pretty cool. They usually put something foolish on it. So let's see here. Let's see what we got. Ha! January 2021 Pro Wrestling Crate. Next month's crate features Owen Hart, Kazuchika Okada, can't pronounce that name for the life of me, Cody Rhodes, Teddy Long, Holla Holla Playa, Macho Man, Randy Savage, ooh yeah, Warhorse, Bully Ray, and a special item featuring 12 deathmatch wrestlers. Ooh, a DVD, I bet. Whoa. Oh, yeah, cool. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah. Whoa. Yeah. All right, so let's see here. Let us see what we got here. All right, hold on a minute, guys. So the first thing we got is a Roddy Piper Brawler Ball. We'll unbox that in a different video. The next thing we got here is a Rob Van Dam pin. He's like kicking the guy. It's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. And we have a Jake the Snake Roberts Micro Brawler. That's cool. It did differently now. Wow. Anyway, what the fuck? Oh, okay. A Micro Brawlers logo sticker. That's kind of dumb. I'm sorry. That's kind of dumb. A Thunder Rosa comic. That's cool. I like it. Whoa. Ow! And last besides the shirts, but not least, we have, oh, cool, an IRS autograph. Bray Wyatt's father. That's cool. Hey, cool, I got Ted DiBiase and IRS. Like, not in this, but, like, I met $1 Million Man, like, 2 times. Cool, I got Money Incorporated. Cool. What a great time to have IRS come out for a fucking autograph when it's tax season. You know what? I decided we're going to unbox those things in this video to make this video a little longer. I mean, 3:15 is pretty long, but we'll make it a little longer here. Here, we'll unbox this pin thing first here. We're not going to, like, take the thing off, but we're just going to unbox it. You can look at it better. That is cool. I like it. Then we'll put it back in the case or something. Would you work? Dirty slut. Jesus fucking Christ. Okay, I put it in the right way here. Okay. Good Lord, I need to lube up the holes or something? Jesus Christ. So you goddamn. Never mind. Alright, time for the Micro Brawler. Or the Brawler Balls, Roddy Piper. I have no earthly idea what the fuck they talking about with this, but it's kind of weird, but all right, let's see here. A Hot Rod Roddy Piper. I don't understand this. I mean, the bubble gum I get. I'm all out of bubble gum, or I'm here to take names and chew, or kick ass and chew bubble gum, and I'm all out of bubble gum. I get that, but like in the hot rod thing, but this thing's kind of pointless, but cool. I like it. I do like it. It's kind of neat. It's just, I don't know. I don't understand the meaning of that. Anyway, Jake the Snake. Here we go. Whoa, it's like a card on the back too. That's cool. Jake the Snake Micro Brawler. How are you supposed to collect the card when you fucking rip the goddamn card out? You dirty little bastards. Oh well. It is what it is, I suppose. Fuck! I like ripping the card or something. Cut me out. Collect the card. Yeah, okay. I will if you fucking come out easy. Oh, for the love of God. So much for the card, huh? Used to be able to stick my fingers in the hole. Ha-ha! Perfect. Just a little fuck up. It's okay. There he is, Jake the Snake. Micro Brawler. I think these are the limited edition ones. I'm surprised they gave a limited edition one. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, now to the shirts. Whoa! Almost broke. Ha! What a quinky dink. That's cool. Clean Man. Clean Man, Bullet Man, 7-Star Man, Fighter Man, Omega Man, Golden Man, One Wing Man, Machine Man, Milkman. Kenny Omega shirt. That's cool. Oh no. What a coincidence here. Seriously, what a fucking coincidence on this. Hate tags. I think it's funny. If y'all watch Impact and AEW, you'll know. The Good Brothers. You'll get why I think it's funny. That's a cool looking shirt, though. Those of you that don't know why it's funny, Kenny Omega and the Good Brothers are a team. Like, they're together. The Bullet Club. So that's why it's so fucking funny. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn those notification bells on. You'll know every time I upload. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video. The fuck?